CQG question of the day. How can I easily group spread fills in Excel by price of the individual legs? In this example here, I executed 250 of the Augie Sep heating oil spread. Now if we come down to our filled folder here, we can click that tab, we can right click, and we can say launch multiple orders info. Now this gives a nice quick view of all of our spread prices, right? And it's aggregated by, right? I did 20 at 764 of the spread. And I can also come down here to the filled window again, and where this blue eye is, double click on it, and it's going to populate all the fills I have of my legs up there. So I see the spread prices I got executed at, and then I come here and I can also see all of my leg fills as well. Now I can just come down here to copy text and then just paste that into Excel, and that will have all my leg prices in there. However, what if I want it just a little cleaner in Excel? So all you need to do is click here on the orders and positions window, go to setup, and go to statement report. With the statement report open, make sure you've got trades, orders, order fills, and filled selected, and let's just hit OK. Now it's going to generate a Excel file for us. Once the report opens up, all you need to do is come up here to the CQG Statements Report tab, left click there, and you'll see there is one that's titled Fill Price Per Instrument Report. Now if you click on it here with the Trades tab highlighted, it's going to tell you you got to click on the order sheet first. So go ahead and come here, click Orders, and click Fill Price Per Instrument. And now if you look here, this Fill Price Per Instrument tab appears, and here is my spread with a nice clean look of buying 250 of this leg and selling 250 of the Sep leg. Overall, let me know if you have any questions. Take care.